Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today, our video topic is how to get whitening foundation makeup at home. Before starting, I want to say, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a clean bowl. Then, take 1 tablespoon of Fair and Lovely Snow. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix the 2 ingredients. Now, add 1 tablespoon of lemon. Then, mix it well properly. Ready for use. Now apply it on your face with a cotton ball. Use it daily at night for better results. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.